Hi friends! My name is Anakin Lalwani, and in today's video we are going to be learning about how, as committed citizens rebuilding a fragile world, we should be prepared so that we citizens will then have the capacity to recover quickly from any difficulties the future may have in store for us. Friends, the theme of today's video is committed citizens rebuilding a fragile world. And isn't it better if you do it in a planned, informed way? And coincidentally, today's video dated 15th September incidentally is celebrated as Engineering Day across India. So we have decided to arrive at a unique idea for today's video. We will try to find solutions to build our fragile world of today with the help of technological and engineering advancements. Today's COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, climate change, and other man made disasters all over the world are signaling us that the world we know of old is changing rapidly. In fact, it will change completely in a decade or so. So, in today's video, we will try to focus and decipher forthcoming trends, professions, and technologies of our future world so that we can effectively prepare ourselves adequately for the future. Today, we will actively discuss possibilities on which we can work on like true engineers of the future. The year we graduate, our generation will face unique challenges never faced by any other generation in the history of humankind. So, without further ado, let's start the presentation. Friends, India celebrates Engineers Day today on 15 September in honor of Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya's birthday, one of the first and most prolific civil engineers of India. He is credited for designing the intricate system of irrigation of the Deccan Plateau and the design of water floodgates at Khadakwasla Reservoir near Pune and many such innovations. We should be proud to know India produces 1.5 million engineering graduates. But sadly, the best of our talent, around 40% of these graduates, decide to migrate to foreign countries for jobs. Nearly 16% of startups in the famous Silicon Valley are by Indian engineers. Let us now discuss about future engineering technology trends we will foresee in a decade. This COVID pandemic lockdown has drastically changed our education and working system across the world. Globally, our day to day lives have been reset. We have all shifted from actual work sites, malls, and restaurants to virtual sites and platforms in just a few months. Thus, we need to understand the skills, occupations, and professions dealing with virtual platforms, e commerce sites, digital banking, virtual classrooms, and certification. These will cater to you and provide jobs to a large percent of the population in the future. Because of problems that we created, like climate change, deforestation, and degradation of the environment, Sustainable Development Goals were set by World Engineers on 4th March 2020 on World Engineers Day. The world engineers set sustainable development goals like no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institutions, and partnerships for the goals. As everything of today and in the future will be digitalized and automated, Engineers of the world have set goals to find solutions to the above mentioned global issues. Now we will take a look at the areas in which engineers are most needed in our country. India today seeks engineers with the right engineering and multidisciplinary innovative skills for the sustainable development of our country. The top four areas being sustainable development goals for clean water, sustainable energy like wind, water, solar, and nuclear, sustainable intelligent infrastructure, and sustainable innovation. The future engineering professions and jobs for tomorrow will be different from what they are now. Let us take a look at the professions and jobs of tomorrow's world. Do not be alarmed, but 70% of future jobs, literally in all sectors, will be taken over by automation and artificial intelligence. So, naturally, engineers of the artificial intelligence segment will be a most coveted job. Only the best will be seen here. By the year 2030, cities, due to innovation and infrastructure overhaul, will seek cyber city analysts to keep urban electric, data, infrastructure, power, water, etc. operational in demand. These will be our future government jobs. Digital data management experts and detectives will be greatly in demand. Ethical hackers, cyber attack managers, data security manager jobs, etc. Such jobs will hold tremendous potential. Coding professionals and programmers will be sought out. Innovation professionals like drone managers, AI psychologists, experts in robotics, professionals in master edge computing skills will be in great demand. Innovations in the field of biology, medicine, and biotechnology will not only help to increase the lifespan of the people but will also help reverse the biological clock by innovation in the beauty and cosmetic section. We have gene editing technologies like CRISPR to look forward to in 2030, which will help to make designer babies with any selective trait like blue eyes, blonde hair, fair skin, or demand. They will also help to fight deadly diseases like cancer in the future. Now let us discuss about the looming issue India will face by 2040-2050, or the looming issue the whole world will face by 2040-2050. By 2050, 1 in 6 people will be over the age of 65 across the world. Usually, the number of babies and young people is more than the elderly in all of human history. In India in 2018, people with the age of 65 already outnumbered children. India already has this problem. Elderly care and health care will rise as the most needed profession globally. Trained nurses, helpers, caretakers, supervisors, and doctors will be in great demand. Now, let us see why humans will also be needed in a world almost controlled by automation. Though 70% of all jobs will be taken over by automation, robots, and AI, humans will still be needed to make ethical decisions and safeguard the human population. Professions like medicine, counseling for mental health, juvenile crime, trauma centers will require human professionals. There will be jobs for robot and human interface, supervisors to see that robots follow human instructions. Now we must learn how our environment and climate will be monitored in the future. Our future world has real threats like possible effects of storm surges along with global rising sea level. We will need building, landscape, and marine architects, engineers, and planners. Sea defense experts, crisis management, and evacuation professionals will be in great demand. Smart home and office design architects will be needed. One of the sought after professions will be financial and investment experts due to complicated e-currency, Bitcoin, and complicated tax transactions. These professions will be sought after. Fringe professions like soft skill consultants, stylists, beauticians, handymen, fitness trainers, and advisors will still be needed. We know that the future we face is going to change our lifestyle drastically. So now let us see how we can still be happy in this complicated future world. Friends, our theme for today's video is Committed Citizens Rebuilding a Fragile World. This world will be full of challenges. We do not plan for it properly in advance. We must understand that we need to feel safe, self-sufficient and steady to feel happy as humans. So it is of paramount importance to make our human society, our community, safe, self-sufficient and steady with occupation, shelter and food availability. Controlled advanced farming will be the need of the time. The focus will be on local, organic and sustainable agricultural practices. Truly safe, self-sufficient and happy people will concentrate on growing their food for their family needs. Now let us learn how to build resilience for facing this fragile world of tomorrow. After happiness, building resilience is an important aspect everybody in society should develop from a very young age. Parents and schools should teach kids about meditation, counseling, evaluation techniques should be promoted for good mental health. Regular exercise and sports should be practiced for maintaining optimal physical health. Awareness about natural nutrition and food should be encouraged to build immunity. Awareness about proper insurance and Medicare for emergency health care. Education and certification in jobs of the future implemented. Identifying professions of the future and developing multidisciplinary skills should be made compulsory. Regular update in technology and innovation across the globe made from time to time. Building a strong network of family, friends, and acquaintances to build a strong community life with mutual respect and care should be a priority for our very survival in the future. Thus, our aim should be to build on all these aspects discussed today so that we will be resilient tomorrow. So, friends, today we have learned that as committed citizens rebuilding a fragile world, we should be armed with the latest knowledge, decisive actions, and build our resilience today for a better tomorrow. We citizens will then have the capacity to recover quickly from any difficulties the future may have in store for us. Friends, I hope today's video has been informative and will help us all make informed decisions about our future. Many of us have vast talent in innovative fields like art, craft, music, singing, dancing, which is essential to support our culture of the future age, so we need to encourage them. Friends, I hope today's video was informative and helped you in some way. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can comment below and I will try to answer them one by one. So here's your friend Anakin Lalwani signing off. Bye!